Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change server in Delta Force Mobile tutorial. So first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the official Delta Force application if we haven't already. If you're on your mobile phone and haven't downloaded it yet, what you're going to do is go to the App Store or Play Store and download it. So after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you have to log into your account. So once you have logged in and open up the Warzone mode, just like we did right here, you are going to go ahead and be greeted by the home page. This is the main page of the Warzone mode, where in the upper right corner, as you can see, we can access the settings tab where we can manage all the settings. We have the ready tab to go ahead and get into your match. And now we can get started with changing our server. So basically guys, if you can take a look right here in the upper right corner in the settings menu, there is no option to go and change your server. You can just go ahead and manage some options such as aim assist. You can go ahead and manage your sensitivity right here, gameplay option, and so on. But there is no option for a server, and that's because Delta Force Mobile automatically picks your server for you, and you do not have to have an option to change it. So basically, guys, what we can do is change the server. Well, the only thing that you can do is to download a VPN. So you want to download a VPN and change your country to some other similar country that you want to change the server to. So you can go ahead and change it to whichever country you want, and then you're going to go and be able to play on that server. But keep in mind that with this way, you're probably going to go and have a lot of lag. You're going to go experiencing lagging, and that's not the best idea to change a server to a country you're not from. But if you really want to do it, the VPN is the only option that you have, and there's no other option. So go ahead into the App Store or Play Store, find the VPN you want to use, turn it on, and then play a couple of games, and it's going to take you to a new server. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.